I'm going to show you a super easy nail art design that's perfect for beginners. I'll guide you step by step, so don't worry if you've never done nail art before. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me. It really helps me create more videos like this. I truly appreciate your support, and I hope my videos bring you inspiration and joy. Step 1, we're going to file the nail tips to make sure there are no sharp edges. This helps your nails look smoother and also prevents scratching or snagging. I'm using Tamika nail tips for this tutorial. If you're interested, I've provided the links in my description box below. Just gently file the edges until they feel nice and smooth. Step 2, apply a base coat. This helps the gel polish stick better and keeps everything in place, even on fake nails. Apply one thin, even layer to each nail. Then cure it under a UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. Make sure the layer is thin. This helps it cure properly and last longer. Step 3, apply your base color. I'm using a nude pink shade for a soft and natural look. Apply one thin, even layer and cure it under a UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. Then repeat the same step for a second layer to get a more solid and even color. Remember to keep each layer thin so it cures properly and looks smooth. Step 4, apply an ombre effect on the edges using a jelly pink shade. I'm using the polish brush to gently drag the color for a soft gradient. No sponge needed. Don't worry about imperfections. We'll cover it later with chrome lining. I did 3 layers for a smoother blend. Then cure for 60 seconds. Step 5, we're going to apply a matte top coat. This is important before we start the chrome design because it helps the chrome stick better and gives a smoother finish. Apply one thin, even layer over the nails. Then cure for 60 seconds or longer and make sure it's fully dry before moving on. Step 6, create the swirl branch base. Using a fine liner brush, apply a slightly curved, think of it like a soft flower branch. Not too straight, keep it fluid and organic. Then add a second swirl branch to balance the design. Keep both lines light and elegant, with a natural flow. Make sure to leave small spaces along each branch. This is where you will sculpt 1 to 2 flowers per nail. Don't overcrowd the design. The branches should guide where the flowers will sit. Then cure 120 secs. Step 7. Apply chrome to the branch, my favorite part. Using a sponge applicator with a good grip, gently pick up your chrome powder. Then rub it thoroughly onto the swirl branch lines you created earlier. Work the chrome into the lines using small, controlled motions to ensure it adheres smoothly and evenly. Take your time here. This step really brings the design to life. Once the chrome is fully applied, use a clean, soft brush to dust off any excess powder around the nail. Step 8. Apply a thin top coat. Then cure for 60 seconds. Step 9. Sculpt the flowers. Using PVC mold gel and glossy paper to prevent sticking. Begin by forming a few small, rounded molds. Use light pressure and controlled movements to shape them evenly. These will act as the base for your flowers. Take your time during this step, as a clean base will make the sculpting process much easier. Once your molds are ready, gently place them onto the nail along the swirl branches you created earlier. Position them carefully, leaving enough space for each flower to stand out without overcrowding the design. Next, start sculpting the petals one by one. Using your tool or brush, softly press and pull the gel outward from the center to form delicate, natural-looking petals. Focus on creating thin, curved edges to give the flower a more realistic and elegant look. Work slowly and with intention. Avoid rushing, as each petal contributes to the overall shape of the flower. You can build the petals layer by layer, adjusting and refining as you go. Continue this process until each flower looks balanced, soft, and well-formed. Keep sculpting and refining until you achieve the final look you're happy with. Step 10. Add glue, place caviar beads as nectar, and optional rhinestones. Finish with a thin top coat without covering the texture. We're done. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what's on your mind in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and answer any questions you have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and save if you enjoyed this tutorial.